In this video we can talk about top 5 remove.bg alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of image manipulation, venturing beyond the confines of the familiar remove.bg, a popular online tool that has gained recognition for its remarkable ability to automatically and accurately remove backgrounds from images using AI technology. Prepare to be enthralled as we introduce the top 5 alternatives of remove.bg, which are remove.bg, erase.bg, Magic Studio, Apowersoft, and BG Eraser. Each armed with distinctive strengths to cater to your artistic endeavors. Introducing our first alternative is remove.bg. remove.bg stands as an online tool primarily used to swiftly remove backgrounds from images, rendering them transparent. It offers features like compress image, crop image, and photo editor. Notably, remove.bg's user-friendly design ensures that individuals with varying levels of technical expertise can proficiently utilize its background removal capabilities. A standout feature of remove.bg lies in its impressive speed, allowing for the rapid removal of backgrounds from images, making it a time-efficient solution for users seeking swift results. Second one on our list is erase.bg. Erase.bg serves as a specialized tool aimed at the seamless elimination of backgrounds from images, producing clean and isolated subjects. It offers features like customized background, editorial image, and API integration. Erase.bg's focus on accuracy is a testament to its commitment to delivering professional-grade results for users seeking impeccable background removal. One of the standout features of erase.bg is its emphasis on high-level accuracy in identifying subject boundaries, making it particularly appealing to individuals requiring intricate background removal tasks. Next up on our list is Magic Studio. Magic Studio presents itself as a comprehensive online platform, offering a diverse range of photo editing features, with a prominent highlight on background removal. It offers features like AI Background Remover, AI Object Remover, and Magic Studio Pro. In addition to its background removal functionality, Magic Studio encompasses a suite of editing tools such as filters, retouching options, and text overlay, making it a versatile choice for enhancing images. One of the standout features of Magic Studio is its ability to seamlessly integrate background removal with a myriad of other editing options, catering to a wide spectrum of creative needs. Next up on our list is Apowersoft. Apowersoft emerges as a multifaceted software offering screen recording, video editing, and photo editing functionalities, including a robust background removal feature. It offers features like file compressor, watermark remover, and background eraser. The tool's integration of screen recording and other capabilities under one roof distinguishes Apowersoft, providing you with a comprehensive multimedia toolkit. One of its standout features is its multifunctional nature that makes it a go-to solution for users requiring not only background removal but also an extensive toolkit for creating and refining various forms of visual content. Last but not the least, we have BG Eraser. BG Eraser enters the scene as a specialized tool devoted to the swift and accurate removal of backgrounds from images. It offers features like object remover, photo editing, and photo retouching. The tool offers a streamlined approach, focusing solely on background removal, ensuring simplicity and efficiency. Users can then proceed to download the edited images in suitable formats. BG Eraser's standout feature is its simplicity and singular purpose of background removal that caters to users seeking a quick and uncomplicated solution. Compared to remove.bg, remove.bg impresses with its remarkable speed, swiftly removing backgrounds from images. Erase.bg's meticulous focus on accuracy sets it apart, ensuring precise removal of backgrounds. Magic Studio's integration of background removal within a broader suite of editing tools makes it a holistic solution. Apowersoft's multifunctional nature, encompassing screen recording, video editing, and image editing, could position it as a comprehensive choice. And BG Eraser's simplicity and singular dedication to background removal offer a straightforward experience. After thoroughly research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Apowersoft as the best alternative to remove.bg. Its diverse capabilities make it an all-inclusive solution. Beyond background removal, Apowersoft's expansive toolkit provides content creators with a comprehensive platform to refine both visual and multimedia content, offering a well-rounded alternative to remove.bg. As we conclude this exploration of background removal alternatives, we hope you've discovered a new world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.